Welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Xander UI framework. To play the demo, you should create a new Windows Forms application, then download the custom Xander UI library from the GitHub website. To add the Xander UI framework to your Visual Studio toolbox, you should create a new tab in the Visual Studio toolbox, then add a reference to the Xander UI library. Xander UI Framework is a library that helps you design awesome UI in Windows Forms application. You can create a simple Windows Forms application by dragging Xander controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your WinForm. As you can see, the Xander controls support multiple controls such as button, checkbox, radio button, etc. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.